Thursday. And I did nothing yesterday. I've been exhausted with the sinus junk and the crud, and we got about 2 inches of snow last night, and I just didn't feel like cleaning the car off this morning to take the kids to daycare, so I kept them home today so they can help me. Not sure that they're going to help me much besides undo what I do. But I'll show you my kitchen. It is going to be my necessity, priority, whatever you want to call it today, because it is driving me insane. I have had no oomph to do it. I did a lot of dishes yesterday, but of course we gathered more last night when we did dinner. So I figured I'd bring you along and let you see me make magic happen, or at least I hope. So I'll set you up on the tripod and hopefully motivate you on this drowsy kind of day. Because Lord knows I need the motivation, so I'll be getting my YouTube channels out to watch so I can get motivated. I'll probably watch She's in Her Apron so I can get the Motivational Mondays videos going that she usually does. So I will see you back in a moment. Alright, so it is the evening time. We're getting ready to start dinner. I got my little helper watching a movie. And I've done pretty good. My stove is cleaned off. I'm ready to start dinner. She just helped me do a little bit of chocolate stuff. Got most of my dishes done. Still working on this table. Getting this area picked up, but I'm also getting ready to start doing some baking and stuff for a baby shower this weekend. So now it is dinner time, so I guess hang out with me and cook some dinner. Guess you can hang out with her too. She's a big helper, can't you see?
Can I help them give them to you though? Is that what can I do? Maybe?
I'm going to start with the chicken first.
Ooh, yucky, yucky. Raw chicken.
Just do your act like you did in
I just actually want to watch you do the chicken. I just want to help you do the potato. Oh, not for me.
Hmm?
I was talking with my thing.
White or chocolate?
You hear that, Rudolph? Time for the fireworks.
We got a little bit left.